I'm going to talk about a very controversial topic, that is dowry system. It is an old age tradition where a bride's family gift a luxurious item to the groom's family as a token of love. I personally feel that dowry system in a certain extent is okay because it is the right of any father to gift his daughter a gift as a token of love as she is leaving her home and going to a family where she is unknown about the nature or the environment of that family. I think that in dowry system, or I personally believe that dowry system can be a good factor in a certain limit because as a as a bride, as a girl, as she is leaving her home and entering to a completely new environment where she is unfamiliar with the surrounding people, surrounding nature, when she sees the gifts or the token of love that is sent by her family back from home, then she might feel a certain level of comfort in that house as she can see her gifts that are sent by her father or mother or family members. I think that until the limit where the father of the bride's family is not compelled or is not pressurized, then till that particular limit, the dowry system can be a very good factor. Because in today's generation, people are taking dowry system as a negative aspect. The bride or the groom's family or the groom's family are demanding for a huge dowry system where the bride's family are unable to pay or give to them. Dowry system is a system where a father open-heartedly with unpressurized way gives his daughter. But if he is pressurized, if he is giving gifts above his capability or ability, then dowry system is taking a negative part over there. To prevent such negative aspects or negative scenarios have to happen in the community, some of the measures that can be taken are first of all, a good awareness program. This is a must because if proper awareness program are conducted in different parts of Nepal, then people will be aware of the scenario, of the problems that are faced by people in different part of the villages. As the bride's family are not able to pay, they commit problems like suicide, they go for depression. So by awareing people about such scenarios, such problems, dowry system can be pulled to a limit. It cannot be eradicated. I would like to clear you that dowry system cannot be eradicated because it is a rooted problem in our tradition. It cannot be eradicated, but it can be limitized. It can be pulled down to a certain limit. So giving proper awareness program, it can limitize the problem or the problems that are being faced in the community. Second of all, I would like to say giving proper education to the girl and to the boys from their school level. As we know, I would like to use a Nepali slogan or ukhan tukha, hune biruwako chillo paat. If a child is given proper education, if he is given proper knowledge about the problems that might arise in the future about the dowry system in his young and pupil age, then he might later on when he grows up, he will have the awareness that no, this is wrong, I shouldn't be doing this. So he'll have a proper knowledge in himself. So giving knowledge about dowry system in the pupil age is another factor to limitize the dowry system. Third is the government acting a good, tight and strict regulation against it. People are aware of rules and laws. Rules and laws are something that abide people in a community in a good manner. If there were no rules and regulation, then people would be like animals, free and do whatever they want. So if good and strict laws are implemented against dowry system, then people will be scared for doing it. People will be scared doing something bad in dowry system. So proper rules and regulations should be implemented to abide people in a certain boundary. So dowry system can be limitized by proper rules and regulation. So I personally feel that by doing such measures, dowry system can be limitized. Though it is not a bad tradition, because like I've said, a father has its right to gift his daughter. Otherwise, the advantage of dowry system can be also taken as if a daughter has something given to her from her family then she will be dependent in the another in the family this she is going through, because she's completely new. She's unfamiliar with the things that are in the surrounding. So if she has something given to her from back home, then she can do something. Like I would like to take an example of this scenario. If a father gives her daughter some money to her as a dowry system, as a token of love, then later on when she goes to the groom's family, then she'll have something in her bank balance. She'll be independent. She don't have to depend upon the husband for something. So these are some things that I shared with you guys with the dowry system. I hope you liked. If there are any queries related to dowry system, you can freely and open-heartedly ask me. I'll be more than glad to answer all your questions. And this is it. Thank you guys.